Hello, good day, divergence traders. Are you having fun yet? I know I sure wasn't. Yeah, I would win some, lose some, win some back. Yeah, all in this wonderful chop here. Yeah. Not even going to look at the freaking 1 minute. Anyway, I drew this on here previously and then I had to go and do a few things. I switched out my other chair. Fucking, I wasn't comfortable. I had to get rid of it. I might have to go buy a new chair soon again. I've only been through about 10 chairs. And let me tell you, if you're sitting in an old rickety rackety chair and you're not comfortable, believe me, that will cause you to do bad trades. I know you may not believe me, but it will. It will, like, you're uncomfortable, you're sitting there, you're frustrated because the market isn't moving where you want it to go or hope it to go or think it's going to go. And you're sitting there not in like pure pain or anything, but you're sitting there and it's not a comfortable chair. Yeah, you got to get a comfortable chair. But don't get it too comfortable now where you can just fall asleep, because then you'll miss the trade also. All right. So here was the trade to buy. It was right on the opening of this candle. It was like 50 pips stop, and it went up like 60-something pips, okay? Then we basically had a high and a higher high. And right there, like that. And you would have sold it here, and you would have got screwed. Okay? Then you would have got out of this trade losing trade. So say you sold it right here, you got out here, you would have lost 18 points. Then we have one more trade on the NASDAQ, right here to right here. And this one was definitely in agreement, okay? Because it's been in an uptrend all day. Okay, so here, let me draw it here like this to this, see? See, this lines up, this lines up. Yeah, it goes to this one, but same thing, just a little different. Okay, and you would have got long right on. When you would have got out of your losing sell trade, you would have got in your long buy trade. And that is right there on the opening of that candle. Okay, let's move on now. Let's move on to the crap Dow. Look at the Dow. Look what it did. Here's the open. Spike up, leaves a wick. Spike down, leaves a wick. Chops up and down, gradually grinds up a little bit. There is a trade. Let me show you. Okay. It's basically right from here to here, let's say. From here to there, like that. And then you would have got in right there long if you were to be patient enough to go through this. And the stop is the swing low, 54 points. That's it. You would have got your 54 points. 54 point stop, and it went up 72 points. Okay, that's the that's the Dow, and there's no trade here to buy. You know, it looks like it, but no, because this valley is too deep. It needs to be less than this. Okay, so there was no trade there. Let's look at the. Ooh, having a hard time breathing. S&P. Look at that. Grind, grind, grind. But there was a trade. Let me show you. Stupid thing. Well, yeah, for sure. Yeah, right here. Draw it to the first pullback, right there. Oh, yeah. And right there. And we would have got long right after the first 5 minutes. Right. Oh. You would have got long in there. Stop was 6 points. This is the S and the P. 6 points, and it went up 11 points. Okay? You did okay on that one too. Then we have oil. Okay? We had a trade. Oh, I got to get rid of all these lines. So you would have got short right here. And it went down 99, 97 points. Might as well say 100 from the top. It's a good trade. Now, when it came down here, it came down too far too fast. The deep valley, there was no divergence to buy here. The only thing that you could do is trade the cross up of the 5 above the 7. You would have bought a dip like on this lower closing candle, and up it goes. And here to here, there's not divergence to buy it here. Let's move on now to gold. Gold was very, very choppy. But there still was a trade, and let me show you. You got like a double bottom. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. And right here, and right there. 38 points, went up 44, went up 60. You were good. Let's take a look at the pound yen now. One big nice trend up. There was no divergence here to buy. So all that you could have done is buy off of some of these lower closing candles. Buy it here on the close, up it goes. Even if you buy it here, I would wait till it comes back into the line because it rallied up too quickly. So in order for the price to get back to my zone, my 5 and my 7 EMA, okay, you'd have to wait for price to come down in there, which is right here. So if you would have bought right here on the close of this candle, your stop would be 71 pips. And it went up 60 pips right there. Here's another one, lower close, buy, up it goes. Here's some, you know, what do you call them? Evening stars, whatever. Doesn't mean they're going to work. Pin bars and evening stars and hammers and jammers. They can work and then they can't work. You know what I mean? That's why I don't follow them too much. Anyway, another lower closing candle, up it goes, buy, up it goes, another losing candle, another lower closing candle, buy it, up it goes. That's it. Euro yen, same thing, big nice trend. See, same trade right here. Buy right here, lower close, up it goes. 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 See all those beautiful trades? But there's so many traders, they do the opposite. They see these red candles, they go, oh my God, it's going to go down now. It's going to go down. And no, they sell it down here and up it goes and hits their stop. And then they try it again. No, this time. No, they sell it and up it goes. They try it up here. They go, oh, it's got to come down. It's got to come down now. It's so overbought. It's got to come down. It's got to. Yeah, and they sell it and up it goes. And they sell it and up it goes. You got to be thinking the opposite. In order to win at trading, you got to be doing the right thing at the right time. Not be doing the wrong thing at what you think is the right time. Okay? All right. You know how I know all these little things about trading? Well, because I've been trading 20 years, but It's because I've done all these mistakes myself. So I know. I've seen it before. How I avoid is it's very simple. I know, you can laugh. Start laughing. Ha 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 ha. I use these two moving averages. That's my guide. It's my guide. When the 5 is above the 7 and there's like, you know, there's space between them, don't fucking sell, man. It's going to probably keep going. See? Right here? The 5 is still above the 7. Still above the 7. Still above the 7. Still above the 7. Don't trade against the moving averages. Whatever freaking moving averages you use. That's what keeps me in track, in tune, not to freaking sell. All right, let's move on. I know I sound like I'm bitching at you. It's just the way I talk, okay? I talk abruptly. Not that I mean to. Okay, so we're going to look at the last instrument of the day now. It's called the pound dollar. Oh, what did we do up here, pound dollar? Oh, sorry, I'm just itching my head. All right. Let's shrink the chart. No, there's no trade from here either. Wow. This valley's lower. And even, no, there's no trade to buy from way down there. The only trade I see, and I wouldn't do it, is because it's been in a long uptrend all day. Okay? Let me remove those. Trade is up here. But of course, I am certain if you would have sold it here, I can put a line there. I'll show you. This indicator said, don't sell, don't sell, don't do it. Don't freaking do it. Oh, my back. Okay. 15-minute. See, right here is the 5 EMA, this white dash line. Is it above this purple line, the 7, or below? Right here with this line up and down. It's above. So if it was above, what's my rule? Don't trade against the moving averages. I just covered it, right, with yous. All you can do is look for a dip to buy. Now let me move this line over here. Right there. Now let me show you the trade you should have done. Man, I can't talk. I have problems talking. I know you keep hearing me like say all these things, but I have problems walking now and talking at times a little bit. I think I had another stroke just in the last 4 to 5 days. That's what I think. Just like my mom, she had many, many, many strokes before she went to heaven. A ton of them she had. But she lived a long time, till 90, almost 1 week from being 96 years old. Yeah, she was toughy. But anyway, let me go look here on the 15-minute. Oh, I have to draw this line first, sorry. There's your divergence. See, this one's going down, this one's going up. We'll look at the 15-minute. Oh, look, look, look. It wasn't. It wasn't above. So you couldn't do that trade either if you were following my rule of this indicator. No trades on the pound, ladies and gentlemen. So that's it. That's all. It's Friday, and I hope you had a good day. If you were trading the UK session on the pound dollar, if you bought it, you were good. You were good, man. It just rallied up. Once again, my name is Jason Sweezy. I trade divergence. I love divergence. It's my passion. I live to trade divergence. I just love trading, and yeah. So anyway, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. If you could be so kind to hit the like button, I would appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So that's it. Good luck. Good trading. Have a good weekend. We'll see you Monday.